In this video, we're going to learn how to solve problems involving change of subject formula for your JAMB Maths. Alright, so we're going to practice with 5 repeated questions in this video. So let's get started with the first question I have here. So it says, make Q the subject of the formula in the equation. Now guys, change of subject formula is one of the easiest topics in mathematics. Alright, so you guys should be able to attempt questions you will see in your JAMB Maths under change of subject formula. So let's solve this question. Well, we have mn over a square, alright, minus pq, this is q, over b square equals 1. Alright, now to do this, I usually solve this kind of problem by finding the LCM of the denominator. So the LCM here will be a square b square. So a square b square divide a square, so we're going to have b square times what you have here. We're going to have mn b square minus this divide this, we're going to have a square times what you have here, you're going to have minus pq a square, alright, equals, now a square b square divide 1, you're going to have a square b square times 1, that's, I'm going to have a square b square. So at this juncture, do as if that this denominator is not existing again. It has served its purpose, so you don't make use of it now. You now focus on what you have here. Alright, remember we're asked to make you the change of solid formula. So to make you the change of solid formula here, this a square b square will cross over this side of the equation. Alright, change the negative, whereas this one will cross over this side of the equation, change the positive. So we're going to have mn b square, okay, minus a square b square equals pq a square. Alright, now let's factorize what we have here at the, because of the kind of option we have, let's factorize what we have here at the left side of the equation. So it's going to give us, when you factorize, we're going to have b square, this is the same thing as b square in brackets mn, okay, minus a square, okay, so you close the bracket, equals, now pqa square. So at this juncture, you can, to make q the solid formula, divide both sides by a square p, a square p. So this will cancel p a square here. So our q will now be this, and this will be the answer to this question. So what is the correct option? The correct option is option C. Q equals b square in bracket mn minus a square over a square p. So that's the correct option. This question is as simple as this. Alright, so guys, let's wipe this and solve the next question. Very, very easy and interesting. So let's go to the next repeated question. So we have this question. We're asked to, if t equals these values, make g the subject of the formula. Okay guys, very, very simple. Let's write down the question. So this is going to give us 2 pi, that's t, equals 2 pi square root of 1 over g. Okay, so we want to make g the solid formula. So firstly, divide both sides by 2 pi. Alright, so this will cancel this, so you're left with t over 2 pi equals square root of 1 over g. To remove this square root, you're going to square everything you have here. Okay, remove the square root, this square will cancel the square root, so you're left with, now t, to remove this bracket here, so this is the same thing as t square over, so what is inside this bracket at the denominator we share the square, so the same thing as 2 square. So when we break it down, we are going to have t square over 2 square is 4 pi square equals what? 1 over g. So we want to make g the solid formula. Alright, So this thing is L. Correct it? It's not 1. So we have L here. Okay, but it looks as 1, but it's L. Okay, so let's correct it, guys. It's L. Alright, so you cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you're going to have gt square equals 4 pi square L. So since we want to make g a solid formula, divide both sides by t square. Okay, this will cancel this, so g will be 4 pi square L over t square. So the correct option is option B, 4 pi square L over t square. So that's it for this question. Alright, so let's wipe this and solve the next question. We're making progress, guys. Alright, so let's wipe this. So guys, next repeated question we're going to solve is this question. So in this question, we're asked to make L the subject formula. So let's write an equation. We have d equals square root of 42w over 5l. Okay, so this equation, guys, we are asked to make L the solid formula. So to begin to solve this, we're going to square both sides, move the square root. So when you square both sides, this square cancels the square root. We are now left with d square equals 42w, this is w, guys, over 5l. Okay, so you cross multiply. I want to make L the solid formula. So I'm going to have 5d square L, okay, equals 42w. Now, to make L the solid formula, you divide both sides by 5d square. This is d. So our L is 42w over 5d square, which is what option B. Alright, so it's as simple as this. Let's wipe this and solve the next question. Remember, we're practicing with 5 repeated questions. So this is the third one. Let's solve the 4th repeated question. Let's write this, guys. So this is the 4th question I solved. I asked to make Q the subject of the formula if P equals this expression. Now guys, before we solve this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel now by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. We really appreciate this, guys, and it helps our algorithm to promote more of our videos. Alright, so we have make Q the subject of the formula if P equals this expression. So guys, let's write this down. Okay, so we have P equals m over 5. Okay, this m is times in x plus q, then we have plus 1. So another way you can express this is the same thing as P equals mx plus mq over 5 plus 1. So it's safer you find the LCM of the denominator, which is 5. So 1 to 5 is 5. 5 times P, we have 5P equals 5 into 5. 1 times everything here give us mx plus mq plus, now 1 into 5 times 1 is 5. So at this juncture, this LCM is no longer useful, so it has served its purpose. So you're now dealing with what we have at the numerator. So we want to make Q the subject of the formula. So that means this mx will cross over the equality sign, and this 5 also cross over the equality sign, and they change to negative. So it will now be 5p minus mx minus 5 equals what? mq. So divide both sides by m. So your q will now be 5p minus mx minus 5 over m. So the correct option is option B, which is this. Alright, so that's it for this question. Let's wipe this now and solve the last repeated question, and after you can call it a class. Alright, so let's wipe this, guys. So guys, the last question here says this: make Q the subject of the formula when L equals this. So let's write down the question. This same thing as L equals 4 over 3, okay, M square root of PQ. So this is the question we have. Alright, now to make Q the solid formula in this question, okay, let's cross multiply. When we cross multiply, we're going to have 3L equals 4M square root of PQ. Okay, so we want to make Q the solid formula. Firstly, divide both sides by 4M. Okay, so we are left with 3L over 4M equals square root of PQ. So we will square. Let me write this way, guys. So basically, we're going to square what we have here. Okay, I square here. Okay, then you square this side, so remove this square root. So when you do this, you'll be left with, now what is inside the bracket which share the square? Yeah, we are going to have 9L square over what is inside here also share the square. We have 4 square is 16, okay, M square equals what? PQ. So divide both sides by P. Since we want to make Q the subject of the formula, divide both sides by P. Alright, so Q is now, this is something as 9L square divide 16M square. I want to show you guys that I will not make unnecessary error. Let me write this way. Okay, so we have 16M square divide P over 1. So when you change the division to multiplication, you impact what you have here. Okay, so it will not be 9L square. Let me write this way. So it will not be 9L square over 16M square times 1 over P. So the final expression will be 9L square times 1. I'm going to have 9L square. This is 9. Let me write this way. So we're going to have 9L square over, we have 16M square P. And now we answered this question. 16M square times P is 16M square P. So the correct option to this question is option A. So it's as simple as this. This basically can deal with problems involving change of solid formula for your JAMB Maths. These are repeated questions, so guys, so get used to it and you'll be good to go. Let's go to class here, guys. If you're new to our channel, ensure that you're subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how I achieve what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your questions in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Now click on the end screen and move and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.